Structure, enhance, and disseminate your materials data with TEEXMA for Materials powerful tools. Our materials search tools allows engineers to select the best material for the job. On which criteria will the engineers be able to carry out their search? They will be able to rely on external or internal data, as well as data from suppliers. Because selecting the best material is not all about the data, TEEXMA also allows for the integration of feedback, justification from past decisions, and conception design rules. It will use these different criteria to search for the desired material and will refine the search according to the complementary criteria. It will use these different criteria to search for the desired material and will refine the search according to the following complementary criteria: supply cost, storage conditions, compatible processes with said list of materials, the material family, such as metals, plastics, composites and ceramics, and environmental compliance on substances present in these materials. But how to ensure the environmental compliance of the selected material? TEEXMA for Materials integrates the notion of eco-design, OHS compliance, conflict minerals and recyclability. After having made a purchase decision, the materials engineer will receive the raw material from the supplier and will make a request to his laboratory to verify the properties of the material. The laboratory will then carry out a characterization test. This request will be done directly in the software with a workflow system allowing for its traceability. The raw data will be directly integrated into TEEXMA along with the test request report. Once the data is received, the engineer will analyse its results to define the properties of the material, to aid with post-treatment and raw materials calculations. How should this data be diffused within the company? This data will then be readily distributed internally via the software in order to be used by team members. This information can also be communicated to the teams of design office, who will be able to use it in their design and simulation work through dedicated tool connections. TEEXMA for Materials, your first stop for structuring, centralizing, and enhancing your materials data.